Movicon has a library called the Toolbox, which is full of ready-to-use, predefined, and configured objects. This toolbox can be accessed from the screen using the Toolbox tab located to the right of the workspace. To insert an object from the Movicon toolbox, follow these quick and simple steps. Open the screen of interest within the Movicon workspace. Activate the toolbox if not already opened in the foreground. Open the object group desired by clicking on the icon to expand the group. Select the object you wish to insert on screen. Position the mouse pointer with the attached object onto the desired area within the screen, and then click to release the object on that point. You can also drag and drop the object onto the screen directly from the toolbox.